Hi guys, what's up? So, hi guys, what's up? So, this is me 41 weeks and 2 days. Like, I'm so tired. I did a video when I was 40 weeks, and I thought before now my baby should be here, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm tired and I'm always exhausted. I can't even move. They're telling me to do exercise, to do this, to but I can't. Say hi, Ian. I can't even move. So today I'm going for, should I say, my last antenatal? The last one I did, I said my last. The last one before this one, I said my last. I'm going for antenatal, like to book the induction. John, I really hope they just put it tomorrow or this night, because I don't know. I'm so tired. I just want this baby out. I don't know if it's my body. Ian own was still longer like this, but Ian own, I wanted it to stay longer because I was traveling, so I wanted him to just be in the womb and allow us to arrive here before he pop out. This one now is 41 and 2 days. For second child, I thought they say second child does not stay longer in the womb, like when you are 38 or this, the baby will come out, but mine is different. Let me know in the comment section if you are one of us. The baby is really down. I can't even move anymore. My breathing, it's affecting the way I breathe, affecting everything. I just hope everything goes out as planned by God's grace. It's God that put the baby there, and it's God that knows when the baby is gonna come out. Who knows what God is protecting the baby from? Yeah. So that's it. So guys, I'm set for my antenatal. I'm just going to go. I don't think I'm going to film it because I'll be filming on my antenatal visit, so I don't think I'm going to film this. Maybe this clip, I'm just going to add it to my delivery vlog. We'll see. It's like I'm having twins. Twins! Oh God, help me. Help your daughter. Okay. See you guys.
All I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life. It's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I figured I would just come here to do a little bit of introduction. I feel like it only makes sense since we have a new member to the family. Our little baby is here. Our little princess is here. And her name is Amelia Elogosa Okundaye. She's been here for over like 2 months now. She's gorgeous. And baby, aren't you gorgeous? Yeah. I know. Sorry, love. So let's just flip her so you guys can see how gorgeous she is. Yeah. Yeah. This is our little bundle of joy, our princess. This is little me, or does she look like her dad? Does she? No, you look like mommy. You look like mommy. Yeah. I wanted to do like a life update, 2 months postpartum baby update. So she was born on the 18th of August 2023. She's so perfect, healthy. I couldn't vlog the experience, but listen, listen. What we went through was intense and fast. It was a lot, guys. My EDD date was supposed to be on the 9th of August, but she stayed for extra 2 weeks. So I went for my last sweep on the 17th of August. When I got back, I was feeling a little bit uneasy. So I just like, okay, maybe it's normal, because that was how I was feeling ever since. I started feeling a little bit of contraction from around 11 o'clock, but it wasn't that severe, it wasn't that strong. So I was like, okay, it's like I'm going into labor. Let me say from 1 to 2. No, from 2 o'clock it was becoming more severe, and like I couldn't bear it. Then I called the hospital, told them that having contraction. So they were like, okay, let me observe it and see how it's going to go. If I can't bear it any longer, I should come to the hospital. And I said, okay. So around 3 or so, I went to wake my husband, like, babe, I can't bear this pain again. Let's go to the hospital. So we packed our bag, packed the hospital bag. We got. When he was driving, I was not the one there. Anytime if he just wants to pass any speed bump and go down, I will feel the pain in my head. When I was working in that hospital, it wasn't me that was there, because we took AN. My husband was with AN. He went to park. So I got to the hospital like around 4. Yeah, because we left the house past 3 or so. So I got to the hospital like around 4. Yes, around 4. For when we got there, everything went so fast. They gave me a room, they arranged everything. Before I knew it, I started pushing. I was just in labor for like just 1 hour. I started pushing. Before I knew it, my baby has calmed down. I got to the hospital like 4 something. I gave birth like 5 o'clock. Everything went so fast, but it was so intense. It wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't easy. So the labor was very fast. Like, I give God all the glory. I got to the hospital 1 hour after I gave birth to my bundle of joy. My little princess. My princess. Yes, she came out. She was, yes. You didn't stress mommy at all. You came out so fast. Yeah, I know. Yeah. 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 She likes to talk. So that was it. I was discharged that very day. I gave birth around 5 a.m. They discharged me 12 p.m. I didn't stay in the hospital for like 24 hours. They just discharged me and we came home. I was strong. Like, it was like I did not even give birth at all. I was so relieved because I was free. Jesus Christ. Hey, she took her time in the tummy. She wanted to come with all the beauty. She wanted to be prepared. Yeah, you wanted to be prepared. Yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah. So she came out. She was pretty, and I don't believe you're mine. We are going to be creating some really dope content, you know. Yes. I can't wait to see you grow to be your own person, your own boss. Be yourself at the same time. Yeah, 2 months later we are here. If you guys have any question regarding my experience, birth, motherhood, let me know in the comment section. Apart from the sleepless nights, which has gotten better now, all things considered, we are doing great. At this point, being a mom of 2, like, I don't even know how to feel. Like, sometimes I will say, this little girl of yesterday, she's now a mom of 2. My kids are basically twins, based on the age difference. But at the end of the day, I feel everything in life happens for a reason. God is not going to give you what you cannot handle. That's my slogan. I feel that's God's purpose for me. We are going to wrap this video here. I just wanted you guys to see her in case you guys see her in my future videos. So I just wanted you guys to see her. You are not new to her and she's not new to you guys. Yep. 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 Yeah, my baby. Yeah, my baby. Everyone who has followed us all through this process, I really appreciate you guys. So we are going to be doing a lot of vlog, baby's routine, baby's night routine. This is like a new era. This is my life now, mom of two. So we are going to be doing lots of vlog. Yeah, we will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye. Amelia, say bye. Say bye bye.